Hello explorers, and welcome back to another unboxing video. I am very excited to show you a bag from Quince that I've been wanting for some time. I've been looking for a very specific type of bag, and I am going to be unboxing it from my favorite brand, Quince. So if you have never heard of Quince before, it is a sustainable luxury brand, but not at luxury prices, which is amazing. And they really cut out the middleman. They don't have a storefront. It's only online, but it basically goes from producer to the consumer. It's just a straight line. And I love their designs. They do take inspiration from other companies, but I love their designs. The materials that they used are superb. And I think I like to associate them with having a lot of natural fibers and that they work with those very well. So everything from cashmere and linen, and you've got silk. Oh, their silk products are amazing. Silk and tencel and cotton, and they even have alpaca. They have all these types of fibers and textiles, and I feel like I'm personally one of their best customers. Hope someday I can do a collaboration with Quince because I was one of the very first few customers that they had, and a lot of the things I've purchased over the years have just accumulated in a good way, and have been my core pieces for my minimalist wardrobe. But also, I really do love their prices. I think they're very budget friendly, especially if you want something that looks nice too. So, without further ado, here is the unboxing. Comes in this really nice box, pretty sturdy. I think Quince has done such an amazing job at making sure that their packaging has become more sustainable. I think at the beginning it was not, but they've done an even better job as time goes on. So this is exactly what you see right here. It comes in this poly bag, but hey, look at that. It says this bag is 100% compostable. So that is really nice, because before it was just a plastic bag that they would ship things in, but I think they've really stepped it up, trying to be even more sustainable than they already are. Pull it out of the bag, and as you can see, it comes in this really nice dust bag. It's really lovely for storage reasons, but I won't be using the dust bag very much for these purposes because I'm going to be using this bag quite a lot. So I'll probably repurpose the bag for something else. But it's really nice. It feels like a linen material. Whoa. Let's take off all the little different tags. This is the Italian leather foldover crossbody in the taupe color, and it's really lovely because it matches pretty much anything. And it's not too light, not too dark. It's honestly the perfect shade. I have looked so much, and all I see are totes everywhere. Totes are really useful, but they're not always really great travel-friendly bags because they don't have a zipper, and you really need a zipper for protection. I wanted something that was a crossbody that was stylish, but also something that provided good enough protection for travel. So let me show you. I wanted something that had a zipper. It had to have a zipper closure. It could not be open because my things might spill out, and also because of the baby, sometimes she may tip my bag. So this way it provides an extra level of security. I wanted something that had a slip pocket and the inner zipper inside, and a big enough compartment to fit whatever else is needed for travel. This is really good mid-size, so you can see the proportions. I needed an adjustable crossbody strap. This strap is quite wide in a good way. It's not super thin where you're going to feel it dig in your shoulder, so it's a really nice width. It's honestly the perfect crossbody bag that I've come across for travel that has some safety features, but also is stylish. That's the most important thing. It's very, very spacious compartment right here. It's actually quite ginormous, which is incredibly spacious. You have a slip pocket right over here. You've got a main compartment right over here. And you also have an inner zipper. First of all, you can use the bag like this if you wanted to, because there is a secret pocket in here Wow, look at that. This secret pocket goes through the entirety of the bag, if you can believe it. So it goes all the way through the end of the bag, separately from everything else. So it becomes this ginormous tote in a way that you didn't expect, but it has a whole zipper. And if I make purchases, to be honest, I could use this bag as is, like this. So if I'm out and I purchase something and I don't have another bag on me, I can leave this without the flap down because this is secure, and I can put all my purchases in here. It's quite big. So this is really a very useful and adaptable bag. So I can easily carry it like this. There's always this long flap for any bag that I use. And even the high-end bags, I don't know why they don't add an extra little strap so that this is not flailing around. So this one does, which is a really nice little feature. I mean, how much more expensive is it to add a little bit of a little piece of leather just to keep everything in its place? I feel like not enough bag companies do this. It's just such a simple addition that could solve so many aesthetic issues. So this is my perfect bag for travel. That is a crossbody. That is also stylish. I am so excited to finally find something that also matches any of my outfits. You can dress it up, dress it down, and it is so lovely. It is so chic, and it is made out of leather, but I feel like the leather that Quince uses really lasts, and it just passes the test of time. So I'm so happy. Hopefully you have a chance to check out this Italian flap crossbody bag by Quince in the taupe color. Well, we'll see you soon, explorers, for another unboxing and review video. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see how I fill out this bag for my travels, because I would love to make a whole video about that too. See you soon. Bye.